Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia, and today I'll be reviewing this beautiful unit by Asteria Hair. And these are the wonderful items that I received in my package. And I'm just going to show you guys the inside of the unit. As you can see, it's a typical 13x4 frontal. And I'm going to go ahead and lay the hair downs as well as lay some baby hairs. You will see later in the video that I did end up having to do this over, but I'm showing you it on the mannequin head because, as I mentioned to you guys previously, it is a lot easier to do this while it's on the mannequin head as opposed to while wearing it. And this is what the unit looked like when I was finished. I don't feel like wearing a stocking cap underneath today. So what I'm going to do, instead of applying makeup, I'm going to apply some of this Even New York tinting spray in the color medium dark brown to help this camouflage better with my complexion. So this is what it looks like right now. So dolls, I sprayed a little bit too much of this spray on this unit and it ended up giving off an orange cast to me. So I did end up washing the front of the unit and the part area just to kind of remove some of that coloring. I'm going to use my Aussie Instant Freeze Spray. I haven't used this one in a while. I'm going to do a typical install using this spray. This is a nice spray for a temporary hold. I don't believe it's as strong as the bedhead. However, you can get a good day or two out of it. And what I do like about this spray though is that it doesn't have that shine that some of the other hairsprays tend to cause. So that's why I personally prefer to use it. And you guys know I don't usually sleep in my unit, so a day hold is more than enough for me. But if you are looking for something that has a stronger hold, I do suggest the bedhead spray or the infamous Gots to Be glue spray. I'm gonna tie this down for about 5 minutes. And while I wait for that to set, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the hair. So you want to wet the hair, as that's how you're going to activate the curls in this unit. And I'm just using my water spray to do that. Alternatively, you can just wet the hair and wring it out before you do your install. However, sometimes when I do that route, it ends up wetting my clothes. So that's why I chose to do it this way, so that I can have a little bit more control over how the hair is wet and so it doesn't mess up my clothing. I'm going to add some of this Lotta Body Curl Activator. This is actually my first time using this. I bought it a while ago. I actually forgot I had it. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it's kind of thick. Ooh, I could tell this is a little too long for me, so I'm gonna trim this. I'm gonna wait until I take this wig off before I decide to cut the back. We're gonna have to use our imagination on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry. It'll probably take about 5 to 10 minutes. I remember this hair dried pretty fast, and then I'll be right back. And this is what the back of the wig looked like once I took the unit off and cut it. Okay, dolls, so that was a little bit more than 5 minutes. I'm not gonna tell y'all I fell asleep. All my OGs know I'll be filming really late at night, and I got tired, so I took a little nap. The sun is coming out, but I'm back here with the end result. I did trim the ends a little bit more. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. You guys know when I'm wearing my 99J hair, I like to do my eyebrows. And of course, this is optional. I just feel like this gives it the finishing touch and brings everything together. And I'm using a cheap red pencil. I probably got this pencil from the 99-cent store. I'm gonna take my wax stick to just lay this hair down just a little bit. Plus I like the shine that it gives me. And of course, if I want it to be a little bit bigger, I could puff it up a little bit more, but I don't. I'm gonna just leave it how it is. And to top it off, I'm gonna add just a little bit of this Proclaim Gloss In Shiner. Let me give you guys my final thoughts on this unit as well as the specs. As I mentioned, this hair is from Asteria Hair, and this is their 14-inch bob in a deep wave curl. They do also have it available in curly. If you're more of a curly girl over deep wave, you could try that as well. I did pick deep wave because I don't know, I just wanted a deep wave as opposed to the curly. The curly is a little bit more bigger. And I trimmed off about at least 2 inches, so I feel like you could order a 12-inch if you like this length. So even though I ordered this in a 14-inch, you could probably get this in a 12-inch. I think the 12-inch is gonna run you probably around $150. This is available in a variety of lengths from as short as 10 inches to as long as I think 24 inches if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's actually available up to 24 inches. So if you prefer to order this in longer lengths, you can as well. While I was manipulating the hair, I did experience some shedding, which is kind of expected when you're dealing with curly units. However, I didn't experience any tangling at all. And since I added some of that product, this hair hasn't gotten too big. The hair before I added the product was in its natural state dry, so you can get an idea of how big it was while it was dry. So it was bigger, but it still wasn't too big. Now, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have the information linked in the description box down below. And guys, what we gonna name this unit? Go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. And dolls, I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name as well as the person who submitted that name will be listed across the screen. Dolls, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. I post videos at least once a week on Sundays or Wednesdays or both. And dolls, as always, until next time, you guys stay blessed, and if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.